Welcome everybody to a huge, massive What's Moving with D. I'm D and I'm here to tell you what's moving. Once again, the excitement of Yoda and his chair from episode 2, $11.99. Here we go, the excitement of Obi-Wan and Anakin fighting in the lava pits of Mustafar, because as you know, when Obi-Wan described how he and his father, how he fought Darth Vader, we all imagined little floaty droids. $29.99 Lego set. Gotta love it though. $7.99 for this Green Lantern that we've never seen in our lives. Tie beanie baby monkey with gold glove. $7.99 there. This is cool, guys. 6 humane mouse traps. It's actually a spring-loaded mouse trap. Mouses go in and then you can go take them out into the middle of nowhere, and then they'll find their way back to your house. But at least you'll feel good that you didn't kill a mouse. $50 for 6 of them. Iron Hulkbuster, Iron Man Hulkbuster, $25.99. Burger King Kids Club, Michael Chiklis Hulk, or a thing that claps his hands, $9.99. This is cool though. This is a Sin City collectible Zippo lighter, $65. Bam. There's Purgatory by Brian Pulido, $59.99 for the Purgatory figure. Surprise Inside Egg, Barbie, $19.99, Easter Barbie. Here is a Cinderella Barbie, $49.99. That's a solid sale. Over here, guys, Jango Fett, $79.99 for Black Series Jango Fett. Warhammer 40K, XV88 Broadside Battlesuit, $89.99. This, I got these cheap Dusty Trail toys. I'd never seen these before. $19.99 for the Samurai. They got a cowboy, a samurai, a whole bunch of different characters. $45 for the Matchbox Speed Track Race Car, slot car, $45. Got this for $10 at the factory outlet place, $24.99. It's a switch case for Animal Crossing, I think. Here's a little tiny original Care Bear, $54.99 for that one. Then up here, guys, this is the Gentle Giant 2015 convention exclusive G.I. Joe. $210. It's got a grunt. It's a big 12-inch size grunt with all of his original accessories in a Foot Locker. Gotta love that. Let's do books here, and then we'll get over to the big stuff over there. Guys, P.J. O'Rourke, 25 years of P.J. O'Rourke. Beat Youth, Innocence, and a Bad Haircut. P.J. O'Rourke. Rest in peace, PJ. $7.99 on that one. Mark Lane, Rush to Judgment. Book about JFK, Lee Harvey Oswald. Kennedy assassination stuff is hot right now. $17.99. Flash Gordon. Harvey Kurtzman, Dan Barry. Flash Gordon book. The complete daily strips from 51 to 53. $8.99 there. Oh, got a piece of paper stuck there. Pulp Art. Robert Lesser. $29.99 there. Marvel, 5 Fabulous Decades, #1, paperback, $47.99. Betty Page, Queen of Pinups. I can't even show you that because I'll show you the back cover because it doesn't have any nudity. But there's the regular cover, $39.95 for that. And then, guys, I can't even open these and show you. Morbus Gravis, Druna, Pablo Serapiri, and Morbus Gravis 2, $75 each, guys. $150 for those 2 books. Here we go. We got a Sideshow Indiana Jones. Look at this. It's gorgeous. Comes with a little idol. Comes with the whip. Everything you'd ever want. Sideshow Indiana Jones. $300, guys. Bam. And last but not least over here, guys, that's Henry Ford's autograph right there. It's a picture of Henry Ford. $355. I think I paid $100 for this at an auction. And $355. I was like, I don't care if I keep it. It's a Henry Ford autograph. Guys, here we go. Saga number 32, $7.99. Daredevil 194, Frank Miller Daredevil era, $7.99 there. Siege 1, $9.99. Spider-Man 2099 variant cover by Nick Spencer comic book. The writer Nick Spencer variant cover. I don't know the artist on that. $14.99 there. Batman the Cult book 1, $14.99. Killer Frost #1 lenticular cover. I don't know if you can see that. I hated DC when they did these stupid lenticulars. $17.37. Resident Evil Halloween Comic Fest. That's in backwards. I don't know if that's on purpose or not. $19.99. Avengers Loki Venomized, $21.24. Essential Captain America Volume 2, $24.99 there. Marvel Voices, Indigenous Voices #1, $24.99. Gorgeous magic cover there. Freddie Lombard, trade paperback, $24.99. Here we go, guys. Wonder World Comics, Star Wars Celebration, Creature Cantina, Blue Snaggletooth exclusive, $39.99 on eBay. The man, the myth, the legend, Steranko, doing a amazing art cover on this one. Graphic Prince of Darkness, Steranko, $69.99. This is a hot book. J. Scott Campbell doing Freddy, Jason, Ash, $9.99 there. And then, if you think that's hot, what do you see this one? That's Delato doing the Hastings exclusive Obi-Wan and Anakin. Guys, $150. And guess what? We got the Obi-Wan show coming up. Delato doing the art of this. We're probably going to get some flashbacks. Hayden Christensen's already signed on. This book could explode, guys. And the fact that it was only from Hastings makes it a little harder to get outside of about 20 states in the entire world. $150, guys. If you love what you see here, you need to go to wonderworldcomics.com/Amazon. You're going to see all of our items. Then you're going to buy something. And you're going to see it right here on another episode of What's Moving with D. I'm D, that's me. I just told you what's moving, and I'll do it again tomorrow. Bye.